Welcome to AfroDish Diaries. We will be highlighting Abuja food legacy, preserving traditional family recipes. Intriguing question hook. What if I told you the secret to unlocking generations of Nigerian culture isn't in a history book, but in a pot of soup? Join us as we journey into the heart of Abuja, uncovering the incredible stories behind family recipes passed down for centuries. These aren't just meals, they are living legacies. Sensory and nostalgic hook. Imagine the aroma of smoked fish and native spices, a scent that instantly transports you to your grandmother's kitchen. We're diving deep into Abuja's culinary soul, celebrating the timeless flavors and heartwarming stories behind traditional family recipes. Get ready to experience the enduring taste of heritage. Call to curiosity hook. Have you ever wondered what makes Abuja's food so uniquely rich and deeply rooted? Prepare to discover the untold narratives behind the iconic dishes that define generations. This isn't just about cooking, it's about preserving a delicious legacy, one cherished family recipe at a time. Abuja Food Legacy, preserving traditional family recipes. Beyond the skyline, Abuja's hidden flavors. Opening with stunning Abuja cityscapes contrasting with close-ups of vibrant, traditional ingredients. Intriguing question. What truly defines Abuja's culinary soul beyond the modern facade? Tease the journey into generations-old kitchens and the untold stories behind the food. Guardians of the stew pot, family culinary lore. Introduce the first family, perhaps an elderly matriarch, sharing an anecdote about a specific family recipe. Showcase the preparation of a classic dish like ofong or oha soup, emphasizing unique family twist. Discuss the importance of preserving these recipes in a rapidly changing world, highlighting the cultural significance. Taste of time, unearthing ancient grains and techniques. Transition to exploring indigenous ingredients often overlooked in modern cooking, like forgotten grains or specific local vegetables. Feature a younger generation learning from an elder, demonstrating the practical art of traditional cooking techniques, e.g., grinding spices with mortar and pestle. Connect these techniques to the unique flavor profile and health benefits passed down through generations. The flavor blueprint, from farm to family table. Journey to a local market in Abuja, showcasing the fresh, diverse produce that forms the backbone of these recipes. Interview a local farmer or vendor about the specific challenges and triumphs of maintaining traditional agricultural practices. Illustrate how these fresh ingredients are transformed into a complete, wholesome family meal, emphasizing the communal aspect. Abuja's enduring legacy, a call to preserve and share. Summarize the profound connection between Abuja's identity and its food heritage, emphasizing the emotional resonance of family recipes. Encourage viewers to explore their own family culinary histories and share them using a specific hashtag. Conclude with a hopeful message about the future of Abuja's food legacy, inviting collaboration and continued celebration. Thanks for watching our AfroDish Diaries channel. Hope to see you again, and please remember to share, like and subscribe. Stay tuned while we bring more on our African delicacies.